Hey tubers, let's see how much luck we've got changing the starter on this 1995 T100. A job like this, the first good step is always disconnect the battery. All right, I'm going to take a minute, go into the car, and see what the hell that looks like. Okay, so what are we looking at here? I'm going at it from under the car. I've disconnected the power. I've disconnected the plug-in wire, and what it's held on is two bolts, one here and the other one way up here. Lower one, I think I can just put a wrench on it and turn it off, or maybe even a socket. The upper one is probably, if I remember correctly, you might have to approach it from the back here, going forward, and put a swivel on your socket. So 14 mil or 9/16. That's the move. Try to get this light in here better, but yeah, there it is. The bolt sticking out, well, it's the way top one up there, pretty much in the dark. This is an in-the-dark job. Listen, if I have any struggles getting those bolts off, I'll let you know, but so far it's been straightforward. This has actually been replaced before by me. I don't remember when, but I've done it. Hey guys, you got to check this out. Where is it? I've pulled the alternator, the starter out. Dusty, really? She likes to go on the road and do car repairs. And it was working for the most part. But here, look at that. It's totally, two of the three screws on the back of, I guess that's the solenoid actuator for the starter, are missing. That's why it was clicking sometimes, but it always started. So it's a pretty simple fix, guys. The only specialty tool that I'm going to say you cannot do this job without is I don't know where it is, a long extension. Here it is. A long extension and a swivel. Because unless you're pulling off like this bracket here and all kinds of stuff, the easiest way to get to that top bolt is just go right by the oxygen sensor, straight up in, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. But a swivel is the only thing that works, or maybe if you had like a wobble socket would be cool, or a wobble extension. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at where the starter actually goes. And that's its hole right there. Let me see if I can get you some light in here, in case nobody's ever seen a starter before. That's where it goes right there. And those teeth engage the flywheel. When you hit the starter, it goes in. You're not going to get this lower bolt out because of the transmission support bracket. So again, the easiest thing to do is just, you got room on the other side, slide it forward. Ooh, she got a little bit of a leak there on the head gasket, or maybe it's the coming from the valve covers. Hey, 400,000 plus miles. This thing has seen a big life. Well, a look under the hood, and if you look closely, you can see that brand new starter tucked right down there under the exhaust manifold. I'd show it to you from the bottom, but I'm just too lazy to crawl under again. Job well done. I'm going to hook up the battery and see if it'll start. Well, the battery's hooked up, and hopefully it'll start. And it works. I'm done. Pick up the tools.